One of these answers is mathematically impossible. 16, or 1. And yet, thousands of people are absolutely convinced they're right. The argument starts with this. 8 divided by 2, bracket 2 plus 2, bracket. Some people get 16. Some people get 1. And both sides think the other side doesn't understand basic math. So what is actually happening here? How can one expression create two completely different answers? And more importantly, which answer survives when we follow the actual rules of mathematics? By the end of this video, you will know the correct answer, why the wrong answer exists, and exactly how to recognize this trap in any exam on Earth. But first, we need to understand why so many intelligent people end up getting different answers. Most students were taught an acronym, PEMDAS, or BODMAS, or BIDMAS, depending on where you grew up. The letters mean the same thing. Brackets first, orders or exponents next, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Simple enough. Most students are told, follow these rules and you'll always get the right answer. And that's true. But there is one detail that often gets overlooked, a detail that sits right in the middle of today's argument. And that detail is the relationship between multiplication and division, because that relationship is exactly where the answer 1 comes from. Let's see why. The people who get 1 start correctly. They solve the bracket. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Now the expression becomes 8 divided by 2 times 4. And this is the critical moment. The moment everything changes. They look at the 2 touching the bracket and think, that's a single unit. 2 times 4 equals 8. So they mentally rewrite the expression as 8 divided by 8. And naturally, they get 1. The logic feels reasonable. It feels clean. But it contains a mistake, a very specific mistake. And once you see it, you won't miss it again. Here is the rule. When multiplication and division appear together in the same expression, with no brackets separating them, they have equal priority. Equal priority. That means multiplication does not automatically come before division, and division does not automatically come before multiplication. You simply work from left to right, just like reading a sentence. So let's apply that rule. After simplifying the bracket, we have 8 divided by 2 times 4. Working from left to right, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then, 4 times 4 equals 16. Therefore, the correct answer is 16. And now you can see exactly where the answer 1 comes from. Not from bad arithmetic, not from stupidity, but from treating the multiplication beside the bracket as if it had higher priority. And according to standard order of operations rules, it doesn't. Here's the exam rule you should remember forever. Brackets first, orders next. Multiplication and division from left to right. Addition and subtraction from left to right. If multiplication and division appear together, neither automatically comes first. Always move from left to right. Let's test it. 12 divided by 3 times 2. If you multiply first, you get 12 divided by 6, which equals 2. But following the actual rule, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. The correct answer is 8. Same principle, same mistake. And that's the trap hidden inside today's question. Now, when someone shows you 8 divided by 2, bracket, 2 plus 2, bracket, you'll know exactly why people argue, exactly where the wrong answer comes from, and exactly how to avoid making the mistake yourself. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and check out my next video where I reveal another math shortcut that feels like cheating.